can now make orders direct with City Plumbing from a project that will go directly into your City Plumbing online account, which is going to save you a bunch of time creating manual purchase orders. You'll get the purchase orders created automatically. They will sync with your Xero or your QuickBooks, whatever accounting software you use. So to start with, you will just need to go to the connections page to connect your City Plumbing account. So connections here, connect City Plumbing. I'm going to go to a project now. I've just created this project. So in the materials tab, I'm now going to have access. You already have access to all of your City Plumbing materials and the live stock information. These things are out of stock. But let's go for a heat pump. We're on a solar project. What have they got in stock? We're going to get one of these and let's go for something solar. Let's go for this. Right, so I'm going to add these. So now these are on my summary. I can see they are to order. I can see they are in stock at various different branches relative to the site address. So now I create PO, and if I choose City Plumbing, it's going to pull these across. It tells me that these are in stock. I go proceed. It's now going to give me my options. So I set the collection or delivery address. So I've got here pre-populated my project site address and also my account address, but I can add a different address. So within this, it will tell me that I can get the full order stock delivered from the 8th of April, or I can do collection. I can get the full order from Devices, City Plumbing, from the 7th of April, or I could get the partial order straight away. So they've got part of it in stock. So effectively it allows me to choose the branch. So this delivery is coming from the Bedminster branch as well. So I'm going to choose that option. It gives me the summary of the things I'm about to order, the prices, and I submit order. That creates the purchase order, and that has been submitted. And then it will quite quickly change to acknowledge. So if I go back to the project here, this is acknowledge. So then I get all of the updates for when it's been out for delivery and when it's delivered. You will, if you're the project owner, you will get notifications in app for these orders coming through, and the purchase order will obviously convert to purchased, and it will track that your material costs actuals against this project, without you having to go through the process of checking the purchase orders coming back in, and obviously that then syncs with your Xero and QuickBooks as well. So check it out. It should take a lot less time to make orders directly. You can then also go into your City Plumbing online account and view that same information for the orders you've submitted. So if you are connected, previously it would have just created the purchase order and you would have had to send that manually, likely to a branch. That process has changed now. It should be a lot easier, and you're also obviously getting all of that live stock information. So check it out and let us know what you think.